This is Machu Picchu, located in Peru, rediscovered in the early 1900s and found to be made by the Incas in the 1400s, but believed to be from a much older time. As you see before you, there are primitive stonework and modern reconstruction done, although deeper into the ancient city, you'll find some advanced stone masonry at this ancient site that differs from the Inca work and the modern reconstruction.
This is a clear example of Incan work versus megalithic work. On the left here is the Incan work. This was built by the Incans. As you can see, it's more crude, fit together perfectly. And on the right here, this is the ancient megalithic work. All the blocks fit together perfectly like a puzzle without mortar.
These large blocks are a part of a much bigger room to the right. It has actual window-like structures from megalithic blocks, and it seems there used to be a doorway to this room. As you can see, there are other megalithic blocks forming another room in this area of the mountain.
If they built these things with looking on the wall, these things wouldn't have fallen down.
Here is the main megalithic building at Machu Picchu. As you can see, right here it's been broken down by cataclysmic event, earthquake. And right here we see those altar areas or false windows. But as you can see lower here, it almost looks like there's a base to it. It's almost as if something fit right below, that this was in this area below these marks. Could have been another floor. As you can see, these scoop or cut marks.
This small cave entrance has strange blocks and those famous false doors or altars. On the right, there are blocks that go in between these platforms or stair-like structures, which look like they have been melted into place. Was this an aesthetic that was carefully and slowly done over time? Or did our ancient ancestors have a way of creating these blocks in such a way that we don't quite understand today? This structure that you're looking at is what I believe to be a base platform for a wall. It's said that these were ritual platforms used by the Incas, but I've seen similar base structures for walls that look like this in Peru. Large megalithic blocks used to rest on this platform to create a wall or part of this building. These two cylindrical cuts in the stone were used for religious purposes by the Incas. But if these were structures from a much earlier time, what were they originally created for? Here are other rooms in Machu Picchu that have been reconstructed in modern times and the Inca times during the 1400s. What were they originally used for before the Inca rediscovered and rebuilt this place?
Another clear example of Incan reconstruction over ancient megalithic work.
Also, in the heart of Machu Picchu is the Temple of the Sun. it looks much different than other stonework at this ancient site. Machu Picchu is a mix of Inca stonework and, from what I believe, stonework from a much older time. An age where our ancestors built megalithic buildings with precise stonework, which were then reused by the Incas over time. Who do you think originally built these megalithic blocks and structures?